Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be explaining you on how you can receive client payments with Wise Business. This is super useful for businesses looking for fast and low-fee international transfers. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to the official wise.com/business website, and now that you're here, you will just have to click this login button right here and just wait for it to load. And of course, you will have to fill in your email address and password to successfully log into your dashboard. And then, yeah, once you access your Wise Business dashboard, you will have to share your account details. So you will give your business clients your Wise account details, and they can pay you in their local currency. And this is optional, but you could also create invoice by generating. You will have to generate the invoice with Wise Link to simplify payments. And then, of course, you could also check incoming payments and track received payments in the balances section, and then you will go to transaction history. And if you would want to withdraw or convert, you will withdraw to link bank accounts or convert currencies within Wise dashboard. So yeah, you just gotta have to explore the Wise website or Wise app, whatever that you may be using, so that you will be able to actually maximize all of its features and learn more about it. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.